Hello there, it's Avinav Niraula. I'm back here with my new video. So guys, the title race now remains between 3 competitors only, and mind you, all 3 of them haven't lifted that prestigious PSL trophy so far in the history of PSL. Hence we are definitely going to witness a new champion this time around. KK are already through to the finals, so now it's time for us to know our remaining finalists. The Eliminator 2 that is scheduled to be played between Multan Sultans and Lahore Qalandars is going to determine it. Let's preview. Do like, share and comment down below. Subscribe to my channel as well. On 15th of November 2020, the National Stadium Karachi is scheduled to host this encounter. This venue is quite famous for making us witness a number of matches involving 150 to 170 runs. Unexpectedly, 2 very dry pitches were installed yesterday, due to which the ball was stopping and coming onto the bat. I'm expecting that to not happen in this all important matchup. Expect all kinds of players to put up an outrageous show. So in my view, 160 shall be a bare minimum on such a track. A bit of dew was witnessed in the latter stages of yesterday's second match, so expect the toss winning side to opt to field first. Multan Sultans, Jisan Ashraf wicket-keeper, San Masood captain, Joe Denley, Riley Russo, Ravi Bopara, Khusdil Shah, Shahid Afridi, Sohail Tanveer, Mohammad Ilyas, Imran Tahir and Junaid Khan. Honestly, MS tried very hard yesterday, but it looked as though their fate was pre-written, due to which their luck didn't really support them throughout the matchup. Expect a couple of changes to take place in this lineup. This match is a knockout match, so they would want to make most of their players play and not leave any excuse post this match's results. Although LQ possesses 3 powerful lefties in their top 7, lights shall be dropped to bring in the English international Joe Denley as a formidable replacement of James Vince. Tanveer is a game changer. Guys, do keep an eye on him. Everyone is building up for that Lahore Karachi finale scenario, so people have less expectations from Multan this time around. When the expectations are minimum, teams tend to perform well. Anyways, it's a golden opportunity for them to go through to the finale. Lahore Qalandars, Tamim Iqbal, Fakhar Zaman, Sohail Akhtar captain, Mohammad Hafiz, Ben Dunk wicket-keeper, Samit Patel, Mohammad Faizan, David Visa, Shaheen Shah Afridi, Dilbar Hussain and Haris Rauf. Expect the same lineup to continue showing its form. They are certainly not going to bring in any leggy into the side, considering the fact that MS possesses a lot of lefties in their top 8. Hafiz's role as a bowler is also going to be vital against such a lineup. Hafiz as a batter is in his lifetime form at the age of 40. His stats of late are absolutely staggering. To add up, Tamim looked in a golden touch in the last match, so around these two, expect Lahore to plan their innings, let them hold an end to allow others to display some decent power hitting from the other end. Rauf is a Pakistani international. You should know that this isn't the era in which you can wrap up the tail by threatening them with your pace. Change-ups are very necessary in the 20th over. Every single one of us are hoping him to change his tactics this time around. People have a lot of expectations from Lahore. Lahore can't afford to disappoint them, as they really are cruising for the very first time in the history of PSL. Good luck. Time to reach the finals for the very first time, Qalandars. Until and unless we witness a Shahid Afridi show, I'm backing Lahore Qalandars to win this matchup. Take care.